Right, just signed up for Doordash. I'm getting ready to start my very first day. I got my Dasher bag right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it going. Hopefully, I get something good. We on our first Doordash order of the day. This one came in at, well, actually, we're doing earn by time, but this is a 6 mile coffee run. We delivering one coffee. What is the tip gonna be? We don't know. And then we're gonna be heading over. If this your first time being here, hit that like button and the subscribe button so I can get all that YouTube money. Stop playing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Maybe I should hop on right now. So I got an interesting email the other day.
Really, nigga?
I am actually not gonna hop on right now, but what I will do is I'll have a look at my ratings. I'm currently at a 4.95 and my acceptance rate is 31%. Bruh. Completion rate 90% and on-time delivery is 93. So DoorDash is now offering you a chance to protect your ratings if you take pictures of the orders upon arrival and upon delivery. So now they want you to take multiple photos. Let me know if you've seen this in your market. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader FDC. I got my Doordash bag right there, and I got my Grandpa bag too. So you know I'm all the way official. Check this out. We got a screenshot right here. It says protect your ratings. We'll share this photo with the I can't even talk right this morning. It's too early. It says protect your ratings. We'll share this photo with the customer to confirm you picked up the order. And as you can see right here in this screenshot, we got a picture of a DoorDash order on the left and one on the right. It's telling you that it wants you to take a clear photo of the receipt. So it includes the customer name and the items so they can get that additional level of verification. This one is when you actually arrive to the customer. Again, they want you to take a photo of the order, probably while you at the merchant on your way. It says we'll share this photo with the customer to confirm you picked up the order. So they either want you to take a picture of it inside of the hot bag or take a picture of it inside the merchant establishment when you get there. Either way, this is some brand new information. I haven't seen it yet in my market, but let me know in the comments below if you've seen it. And let me know if you think this is actually something that can protect your ratings, because we all know in the past, DoorDash has basically been you guilty until you prove you're innocent. So if a customer claims that their order was late or they never received it, DoorDash will issue that contract violation, and then you have to prove yourself innocent before they remove any type of violations on your account. With this new update, I'm wondering, again, this is with a heavy quotation, I'm wondering, will this have an impact on the amount of contract violations that are issued to DoorDash drivers? So let's say you run into a situation where you get to the merchant, you take a picture of the order, right? Send it to the customer. DoorDash sees that, the customer sees that as well. Well, now you deliver that order, you take a picture. As you can see in this next screenshot, they got the full address in the photo along with the customer's order. A lot of times you also always have this verification of the order being dropped off at their appropriate location, but you still may receive that contract violation. Well, I'm wondering, if now we have two photos of verification, will this impact the amount of contract violations that go out to Dashers who are doing the right thing, who are doing their job appropriate? Let me know. I'm very curious to see how this plays out throughout the year. Now, the other question I have is, how would this affect your customer rating? Because we all know that a lot of times the customer may say their food was cold or late. And with this new update, with DoorDash saying that they trying to protect your ratings, or they helping you to protect your ratings, do you think there will be less chances of DoorDash customers complaining about food being late if they able to clearly read the timestamp on these orders? This could hurt DoorDash because a lot of times the order is declined so many times that by the time a Dasher actually pick it up, the pickup time on that ticket be them past by 30 or 45 minutes by the time an actual Dasher get there to accept it, and they may have only spent 5 or 7 minutes on that order. So again, let me know if you've seen this in your market, because this is something that I think could potentially help Dashers. But again, I think DoorDash always does everything to protect themselves, meaning that I think they're going to be using this to combat customers who try to get DoorDash credits and DoorDash refunds based on certain things like, oh, my order was never received, Dasher picked up the wrong order. I think they are more trying to combat that versus having the Dasher's back, versus actually looking out for the DoorDash driver and the person that's making it able for them to have a platform the individual that's out there doing the deliveries, that's making it a way for the customer to get that order, I don't think DoorDash is looking out for them. What they doing is they protecting their money by getting extra levels of verification, by making the Dasher do extra work, extra levels of verification. They are making it to where it's harder for the customer to complain and try to get a valid reason for a refund. Because if you think about it, if a customer try to say they never got their food and you got a picture of the order at their door with the house number in, it's very hard to dispute that. But then if you take it to the next level and you got a picture with a timestamp clearly of the receipt of the time the Dasher picked up the order and the time the Dasher dropped off the order, now you in a stronger position as a company to refuse that consumer a refund. And DoorDash is all about numbers. They don't care if they have a few disgruntled customers, because they know at the end of the day, most people is used to the comfortability and ease of ordering that DoorDash right to their door. So they gonna end up still ordering their DoorDash no matter what, even if they mad, even if they don't get their refund, they gonna forget. And it's gonna be a day in the future, probably not too far, and they're gonna end up ordering DoorDash again because they lazy and they don't want to make no sandwich. And they probably won't tip because they're gonna be angry with the service, but DoorDash don't care about that. They all about volume. So this is a tactic for them to ensure that they retaining more of that money that they making off these consumers. So when they try to say, hey, my food was cold, they're gonna say, no, the timestamp on that first picture that the Dasher sent, we made the Dasher do extra work, take extra time to send that picture, but we're not paying him no extra money. The time that he spent taking that first picture verifies that that order was not cold. It was picked up at this time, dropped off at that time. If it was cold, it's because you didn't go outside and grab it soon enough. So no, you're not getting a refund. This is what DoorDash is thinking when they implement things like this. So I want to say shout out to J Beats for sending me these screenshots, because like I said, I haven't even seen this in my market yet. But I know a lot of you guys probably have, and if you haven't seen it in your market, be on the lookout because it is coming. So I'm gonna throw up a couple more of these screenshots real quick. They may zoom past screen. You know, I got my editing skills on deck. Maybe I just throw them up on the wall right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the point is, DoorDash is changing. You want to make sure you're up to date with the different things that happen on the DoorDash app. Let me know if you've seen this. Let me know if it's affected your ratings. Let me know if you've got contract violations removed because of this. Or let me know if this don't make no difference and DoorDash is trying to keep more of that customer money. Look, until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'm out.